INelson Mandela Children's Fund ngensebenziswano nesiseko iFirst Rand Empowerment Foundation idibanise ndawonye amanina kwisidlo sasekuseni namhlanje sengithini ukuxoxa ngemeko yobundlobongela kubantwana eMzantsi Afrika. Okuza njengoko iphulo lentsuku ezili-16 zokulwa ubundlobongela obujeluse kwesini nabantwana liqobe ngempondo kuba liqale ngokutsho kophando olwenziwe ngumbutho we-United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund ngabantwana abathathu ubuncinane ababhubhela ezandleni zobundlobongela kusuku ngalunye.
Lo mcimbi obubanjelwe eSandton uhlose ukubheka ukuthi iziphi izinkinga ezibhekene nabantwana bakuleli uphinde uqhamuke nesisombululo nokubheka ukuthi osomabhizinisi besifazane liphi iqhaza bangalidlala ukulwa nalesi sihlava. Ongumphathi omkhulu eNelson Mandela Children's Fund uDokotela uLinda Ncube Nkomo uthi liseludo ukhalo ekuxazululeni yokuhlukunyezwa kwezingane.
When you consider that children, the child murder rate in South Africa is 4 times the global average, that tells you that we've got a crisis in terms of the safety of our children. And today is World Children's Day, but there's nothing to celebrate in terms of being a child in South Africa, because you've got to be on high alert all the time. So we've taken our eyes off the fact that children are the greatest asset of our nation, and we're chipping away at that asset, we're destroying that asset.
Uqhuba ngokuthi njengoba kuziyinsuku eziyishumi-6 zokuqwashisa ngokungahlukunyezwa kwabesifazane nezingane, uthi kumele kungapheleli lapho ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izingane ziphephile, kodwa kumele kube yinto yansuku zonke.
So we need to course correct as we go into 16 days of activism of no violence against women and children. In South Africa, we need to keep the focus on children, and it's not a 16-day focus. It's a 24/7 day focus on making sure that all the time the children around you take responsibility for them. You refer to those children as my child, and you make sure that our children can indeed start being defined as being safe and protected.
Lezi inhlangano ke zithi abantwana bayikusasa lesizwe, ngakho akukho umuntu onelungelo lokuhlalisa libhojozi izingane. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguDaud Phungula ngibika ngiseSandton.